2 साल की बच्ची होगी वो स्कूटर पे, 2 साल की बच्ची ऐसे मिडिल फिंगर दिखा रही है वहाँ उस पे से। हद है यार, मतलब क्या ही सीख के बच्चे बड़े हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे। They started filming us as well.
Putting a sketch on us.
Do you think that they would get aggressive if they see us filming?
Certain people.
Yeah.
Hey, bro. It's hard to tell
Yeah.
because like indigenous people are like some of the friendliest people.
Yeah.
You know
Very
what I mean?
welcoming.
Yeah, they can be like, you know, like you seen in Litchis, they were drunk as pigs.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
You know, but and still trying to welcome us into their home, you know. But
Yeah. You're right.
some, you know, can be aggressive, but I suppose it's like anybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're right.
Depends on them, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What they're going to.
That's as bad as it goes, butter.
He's saying stop recording, mate.
That says it all for you.
फिलहाल हम बैगेट के थ्रू गाड़ी ड्राइव करने लग रहे हैं, उतर नहीं रहे जान करके, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा सुरक्षित नहीं है। ऐसे उतर के रिकॉर्डिंग करूंगा तो कुछ भी हो सकता है। ऐसे खतरनाक इलाके आप देख ही चुके हैं इलाका कैसा है। तो हम गाड़ी में से कोशिश कर रहे हैं वीडियो बनाने की, मौका मिलेगा तो उतरते हैं अभी। गाड़ी के हालात देखो यार, क्या हालात हो रखी है गाड़ी की।
Where do you want to park at? We can.
Car park?
Nothing down there. There's a car park there.
That's what I mean.
Park there for you. Probably the nicest part.
Are there a lot of crimes in this neighborhood as well?
Yeah. Yeah. Just
Yeah.
like all of the housing dense, you know,
Yeah.
areas. It's quite full on.
ये अभी हम आ गए कार पार्क में, और हमारे अलावा कोई गाड़ी नहीं दिख रही मेरे को तो कार पार्क में। एक सामने गाड़ी रुकी है, हमें देख के रुकी, नहीं ब्रेकर पे रुकी थी, मुझे लगा हमें देख के रुकी है, कई देर से खड़ी थी।
See that? The playground got set on fire.
Oh my god. Yeah, I want to check that out.
Yeah, look really something.
I wonder why there isn't any other car apart from ours in the car park. Nobody wants to come here. ये है डार्विन शहर का एक खतरनाक इलाका बैगेट, जिधर हमने अभी गाड़ी पार्क करी है। और आप देख सकते हो हमारे अलावा यहाँ पे कोई भी और गाड़ी पार्क नहीं है, कोई आके यहाँ पे खुश है ही नहीं। अब देखो सामने वो जो आप देख रहे हो बच्चों का प्लेग्राउंड, आग लगा दी गई थी, जल गया था। देखो
Like all the swings are broken. The slide's been melted.
यार बेचारे बच्चों के पास ये तो फैसिलिटीज है खेलने की, देखना ये स्लाइड मेल्ट हो रखी है, पूरी टूटी पड़ी है। ये बच्चों का यहाँ पे खेलने का पार्क है। क्या तो बच्चे करेंगे, उंगलियां ही दिखाएंगे जैसे वो दिखा रहे थे 2 साल के बच्चे भी।
Be careful too. There might be needles
ओके
and stuff like that. Also, like
या
places like this. I'm not sure if it's the same here, but it was the same in like the other community I lived in.
या
There'll be a reception. So like say like a building like that, and that's where you go and buy your power card. So like say you buy a $50 power card that gives you $50 worth of power, and you plug it into your modem outside of your house.
ओके
Yeah, and that gives you like power. Yeah, it's weird. It doesn't run off like city bills. It's like, yeah.
भाई बता रहा था कि भी यहाँ पे कई घरों में ऐसा सिस्टम है कि भी बिजली के लिए कार्ड खरीदना है, एक रिसेप्शन होगी, रिसेप्शन में जाके बोलो कि मुझे $50 का बिजली का कार्ड दे दो। वो कार्ड जाके लोग अपने घर में लगाएंगे, तब उन्हें बिजली मिलेगी। ऐसा नहीं है कि भी सिटी की तरफ से बिजली सप्लाई हो रही है सबको। ऐसे ऐसे जो इलाके हैं इतने, इन इलाकों में ऐसा सिस्टम भी है। अब ये पता नहीं क्या बिल्डिंग है, अबैंडन सी लग रही है, बाहर गंदगी पड़ी है।
I don't know if you want to go in there or not.
It's a bit sketch.
You can go in there if you want.
ओके चले दोस्तों अंदर, चलो इसके अंदर चल के देखते क्या है।
Be careful though.
या बड़ा ध्यान से जाना पड़ेगा। नीचे देखो कांच है हर जगह। Oh yeah, finally. या बहुत कांच है, ध्यान से। ये देखो यहाँ पे बोतलें पड़ी है शराब की, ये पता नहीं क्या है।
Oh, drum set. That's old indigenous artwork.
ये इनका कोई आर्ट वर्क है इंडिजिनस लोगों का। ये दीवार फाड़ रखी है। बाहर कोई आ गया, चिल्ला रहा है बाहर कोई। प्रॉब्लम होगी शायद। तो जब हम उस घर के अंदर थे, घर नहीं था, एक शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स था, एक बाहर लेडी आई और बोलने लगी भाई कौन हो, किस लिए आए हो। तो उन्हें बताया ऐसे ऐसे इंडिया से आया हुआ है ये। तो बोली अच्छा अच्छा चलो ठीक है कोई नहीं। तो बात करी कि भाई मैं इधर की लाइफ दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ वो सब। तो बोली कि ठीक है आ जाओ, उधर आ जाओ, मेरे कज़न से मिलाती हूँ। तो अभी हम उधर जाने लग रहे हैं उनके घर की तरफ। इनके घर के बाहर आगे गाने बज रहे हैं। अभी हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि कोई कैमरे में हमसे बात कर ले, पर कोई राज़ी नहीं होने लग रहा। हमने तो पैसे भी ऑफर करे पर बोल रहे नहीं नहीं, इन्होंने मना करा, फिर इनके पास आए, इन्होंने ही मना किया। तो भी किसी और से पूछ रहे हैं। एक वो है
Yeah, that's on the Spanish video. Yeah. This fella, he's from India.
Hey guys,
Wants to talk to someone.
nice to meet you. I'm Param from India. Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you, bro.
Like being an indigenous in a community like this. You know, like
सारे आ
even
गए।
anything like.
तो ये सारे बच्चे हैं भाई। मैं बात करूंगा अभी जॉर्डन से, जो कि यहाँ पे रहता है। So that's Jordan with me. How old are you, Jordan?
17.
17, very young. So Jordan is an Aboriginal, which are the native indigenous people of Australia. Thank you so much, Jordan, for letting me talk to you. Jordan ऑस्ट्रेलिया के एक Aboriginal इंसान है। ये जो पूरी कम्युनिटी है Aboriginals की है, इनसे अपन बात करने वाले। मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि भी यहाँ पे लाइफ कैसी है, क्या इन्हें फील होता है, क्या डिफरेंस है। Jordan, did you grow up in this neighborhood?
Yeah, grew up here for a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And do you see yourself living in the same neighborhood in like 10 years down the line?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
What do you feel the life in Darwin, how do you think it's different compared to your neighborhood? Do you think you would be able to live in Darwin, or you just want to be surrounded by your own people in your own neighborhood?
Yeah, I would like to be surrounded by like my own people, like
Yeah.
people I grew up with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you aspire to become when you're older?
I don't know.
Not sure yet? Are you in school right now? Do you go to school?
Nah, I got a job.
You got a job already? How does it feel to be growing up as a minority in a country like Australia, which is a really big country? Do you ever feel discriminated against in a country which has more white people compared to Aboriginals?
Nah,
Never?
I feel proud to be.
You feel proud?
Aboriginal.
Yeah? I read somewhere, I'm from India, and I read somewhere before coming here in Australia that there's a connection between the Hindu people. I happen to be Hindu from India, and I think there's some sort of connection between the Hindus and the Aboriginals as well.
Yeah.
Your family lives here?
Yeah.
How many people are there in your family?
There's like lots.
Lots.
Everywhere, yeah.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
I have like from my mom I have like 6 siblings.
6 siblings?
Yeah.
And they all live here?
Yeah. I have like 5 siblings, but like one passed and like a few years ago.
Okay, you used to have 6 and one of them passed. I'm really sorry to hear that.
They're all good, bro.
What are your hobbies? What do you like to do when you're free, when you're just chilling, when you're not working? What do you like to do?
Just I like kicking back with the boys.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you like any sport? What sport do you play?
I play footy.
Footy.
Trying to get into basketball.
Footy is soccer, right? Or American football?
AFL.
Oh, AFL.
Yeah.
Australian football.
Yeah.
That's different. Do you know where India is? It's a country in Asia.
Yeah, I know.
Very far away.
I know it, but like I don't know where it is.
Yeah, it's very far away. Anything that's coming to your mind, anything that you want to know, anything that you want to tell me about you or your community, yourself, I'd love to know that.
And I just came a long way.
Yeah?
Like, I used to steal all the time and
You used to steal?
yeah.
Okay. Did you ever get caught by the police?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was a trucker.
Oh, you have a tracker?
Yeah.
Jordan के पैर में white tracker लगा हुआ है, so you can't leave the neighborhood, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And
I can, but my curfews are 7 to 9.
so from 7 p.m. to 9 a.m. you
7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Yeah, I can leave the community and stuff, but I have to be back at my house before 9.
तो जॉर्डन के कर्फ्यू लगा हुआ है क्योंकि जॉर्डन के पैर में ट्रैकर डला हुआ है। जॉर्डन भी चोरी करता था, उस वजह से पकड़ा गया। तो रात को 9 बजे से पहले जॉर्डन हैज टू बी बैक एट हिज होम। दैट्स व्हाई द ट्रैकर इज देयर फॉर। व्हाट वर यू स्टीलिंग? व्हाई डिड यू गेट कॉट?
Just been stealing cars and
Okay. Please don't steal our car. I don't want to be walking back to Darwin. तो जॉर्डन गाड़ी चुराता है और मैं बस ये कहता कि हमारी गाड़ी ना चुराना, मेरे से पैदल नहीं जाया जाएगा डार्विन। गाड़ी चुराने की वजह से जॉर्डन को पकड़ा गया। How many cars you've stolen so far?
like a lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
So the ones you didn't get caught for.
Nah, like I got caught like right here. I was sleeping.
Yeah.
Coppers like they got me when I was sleeping. I just woke up like this, like And the copper just told me, Jordan, you're under arrest.
Oh my god. And how do you get into a car? How do you break into a car if it's locked?
Just go into the house.
And steal the keys.
Yeah.
Okay. Hot wire. What's that?
With like
the key.
screwdrivers.
Screwdrivers. तो जॉर्डन बता रहे कि गाड़ी चुराने के कई तरीके हैं.
Yeah.
या तो किसी के घर में जाके उनकी चाबियां चुरा लेते हैं और चाबी लेके गाड़ी चुरा के भाग जाते हैं, या फिर हॉट वायर से गाड़ी स्टार्ट करके गाड़ी भगा के ले जाते हैं. What's the most expensive car that you've stolen?
Me?
Yeah.
I've stolen a BMW.
That's a nice flex though.
Yeah.
And what's the cheapest car that you've stolen? You don't do cheap stuff.
Like it wasn't a car, but it was a post bike.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I want to know, do you want to continue doing this, or do no?
I don't want to steal anymore. Like
Yeah.
thought about what I did. Like it was just silly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you regret stealing cars?
Yeah, I did. It just happened really fast.
Yeah. And
I thought it was fun, and
what made you steal cars? Was it the car itself, or did it give you an ego boost, or did it satisfy your ego, or did it give you that adrenaline
for me, like
rush? Yeah.
for me, it's like I just thought it was fun.
Yeah, you were chasing the adrenaline. You were chasing the adventure.
It
Yeah.
was like this.
Because I don't see any cars parked here. I know where the cars are. You sold them?
Nah.
Okay.
I don't.
Did you like dismantle them once you steal them? What did you do with them once you've stolen them?
No, yeah, coppers took them. Just I really like parked them in the back street here.
Okay.
Yep.
Where did you pick up this habit from of stealing cars? Whom did you get the art of getting into cars from?
Following boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's the best guy here? Who's the best in picking cars?
I don't know.
Him.
Probably.
You.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
And any other art form that you mastered in apart from stealing cars? Did you steal something else as well? So you broke into houses, you stole cars, violence, assault,
I did
possession of weapons,
snatch and run.
snatch and run.
Yeah.
What did you snatch?
In Casuarina.
In what? What did you snatch?
I snatched a wallet.
Snatched a wallet.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's still here. I'm lucky. I'm glad it wasn't mine. What's the next thing that you want to do in your life? Do you have anything in
Probably-
mind, or are you planning to stealing helicopters or planes now?
Now probably get into sports more.
Yeah?
Yeah. And be a better person.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So the kids can look up to you.
I can see the good man in you. I can feel the vibe. Everybody around here is just so warm-hearted and welcoming. You guys are really nice people. I know like what made you do that, but I'm glad that you are regretful of the acts that you've done in the past and you are becoming a better person. That's really good to know. Thank you so much for bringing me over here. I would have never been able to come here by myself without the help of Levi. Okay, thank you so much, Jordan. I had a lovely time talking to you. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and your life experiences with us and the stories. And I'm so happy that you seem to be a changed man now, and I'm really sure you're gonna give back to the community. You're gonna be a person whom everybody looks up to. Thank you so much, all of you, and thank you so much for letting me into your community. What's your name?
Deborah,
Deborah, how old are you?
6.
Where did you get the bike from? Could you let me ride it? No? Very welcoming, thank you. Jordan, any one last question. Any advices or suggestions to someone who wants to get into stealing cars?
Nah, just probably stop stealing.
Yeah, stay away from it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Be better if you just stop stealing.
yeah.
Probably try get a job. Or
Yeah.
something, you know.
Cheers, bro. Thank you.
Lolly, do it again. Lolly, do it again. Motherfucking Lolly.
Cheers, mate. Bye-bye.
Amazing.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Thanks for that, too.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. यहाँ पे कुत्तों की लड़ाई हो रही है, वो देखो। तो देखा भैया आपने, अभी हम लोकल कुछ लोगों से मिले थे एबोरिजिनल से, बैगोट इलाके के, जो कि हालांकि मुजरिम थे, पर बात करके ठीक लगा यार। अब बात करने में तो लोग अच्छे लग रहे थे यार, वेलकमिंग से थे। अब जो करा है उसकी सज़ा भी भुगत रहे बेचारे। बता रहा था कि मैं पहले गाड़ियाँ चुराता था, फिर बोल रहा था लोगों के वॉलेट चुराता था, सामान चुराता था, घरों में घुसता था, मैं चोरियाँ करता था। ये सभी लोग जितने भी बाकी थे सारी इसी तरह की हरकतें करते थे। ब्रो डू यू हैव अ वॉलेट ऑन यू? मेक श्योर इट्स पर्स हमारे चोरी तो नहीं होगी, ठीक है।